We knew Gillian Balban would be sent to prison, and today we learned how long for. Interest in the 52-year-old's trial continued to the end. Not a single seat was vacant in the courtroom. Former Natwest employees and their families gathered on one side, Balban's family on the other, all waiting for a conclusion to the case once and for all. Puny Judge Liam Yates had looked at the facts of the case. Balban was found guilty of 2 counts of false accounting, 3 counts of fraud by abuse of position, and 1 count of fraud by false representation, by a jury of 9 in March this year. Today, the Crown read out 2 victim impact statements from former Natwest employees who had left the bank after being invited to disciplinary meetings once Balban's actions came to light. The court heard the individuals have suffered depression, panic attacks, and even suicidal thoughts as a result of what Gillian Balban did. Mr. Justice Yates said he had no hesitation in accepting their statements. Balban's lawyer, Robert Fishel KC, said that, sadly, there was little in the way of mitigation. He simply highlighted her age and the fact that her parents were aging, and she cared for her seriously ill father. Mr. Justice Yates said Balban had maintained she was being blamed by others for the bank not following procedures correctly. He said this showed a lack of remorse. Mr. Justice Yates also referred to a business impact statement in which country head of Natwest International, Peter Booth, said current and former employees have been impacted by Gillian Balban's actions. And while no customer accounts were affected, the fraud did have a negative impact on the bank's finances. The judge decided 7 years and 6 months would be proportionate to the seriousness of the offences. Upon hearing her fate, Balban remained calm and collected. She hugged her family in the courtroom before being escorted to a police van that would take her to Windmill Hill Prison.